Welcome back in the practice paper number 5, that is revision mixed up questions for physics for class 9. That is the first question here. Convert 25 millimeter per hour into meter per second. You have to convert 25 millimeter per hour into SI unit, that is into meter per second. Second question, convert 2000 Newton into dyne. Newton is the SI unit of force, dyne is the CGS unit of force, and you must have the formula to convert Newton into dyne. Using that formula, you have to convert this 2000 Newton into dyne. Third question, derive the expression of recoil velocity of a gun. Fourth, differentiate distance and displacement. You have to write the difference between distance and displacement. Next question, what do you mean by uniform circular motion? Only you have to define uniform circular motion. Sixth question, define rest and motion. When can you say that the object is at rest and the object is in motion? That you have to define. Question number 7, a car covers half of a journey with 20 km per hour and remaining half with 40 km per hour. Calculate its average speed. A car covers half of a journey. Journey is not given, so you have to select the total distance as x. A car covers half of a journey with 20 km per hour and remaining journey with 40 km per hour. Calculate its average speed. Question number 8. Explain the terms origin and scalar quantity. You have to explain that what is the exact meaning of origin and scalar quantity. Question number 9. Calculate the gravitational force acting between the earth and the moon. You have to calculate the gravitational force between earth and the moon. For this you must have the formula to find out the gravitational force, as well as you must have the value for mass of the earth, mass of the moon, and distance between earth and moon. So to know the values, you must go through the NCERT. Going through NCERT, you can find out the mass of the earth and mass of the moon and the distance between them. Then you can easily calculate the gravitational force. Question number 10. When a ball is thrown up from the surface of the earth, in which direction the gravitational force due to earth acts? The question is asking, when a ball is thrown up from the surface of the earth, then in which direction the gravitational force due to earth acts? Gravitational force due to earth on the ball will act in which direction? Either upward or downward. That is your answer. Question number 11. Find the momentum of a ball of mass 200 gram moving with 18 km per hour. If a ball is having mass 200 gram and it is in motion, the value for speed is given 18 km per hour, then what is the value of momentum that you have to calculate? So in this practice paper number 5, there are total 11 questions. They are very easy, and going through all the chapters up to taught portions, you must solve these questions. You must have the concept before solving these questions. Thank you.